Hello students, welcome to Navankur DigiLessons. Today we are going to study class 12th General English lesson 9. I am Joe's brain. ये जो चित्र आप देख रहे हैं, ये मानव मस्तिष्क है, ह्यूमन ब्रेन। ब्रेन के बारे में इस पाठ में दिया गया है जो हम पढ़ेंगे। Here are some main points. So students, please go through these main points and try to understand lesson. Now we will see question answer. Question number 1. What does the brain consist of? The brain consists of neurons and glial cells. It is a 1.5 kilo mushroom of gray and white, thick and sticky tissue. Question number 2. How can you say that Joe's brain is Joe himself? Answer है, Joe's brain is Joe himself, his personality, his reactions, his mental capacity, the sense only gather information, but the brain governs his urge, his mood, everything. Question number 3. How does the brain cope with the amount of information that keeps coming? Answer है, the brain copes with the amount of information that keeps coming by selecting what is important, and a man ignores the rest. Now question number 4. How does the brain react in emergency situation? In emergency situations, the brain instantly shifts gears. It directs and warns according to the situation. It performs thousands of housekeeping jobs and supervising, breathing extra. Now question number 5. What does the brain do when carbon dioxide level rise in the blood? When carbon dioxide level rise in the blood, the brain steps up the breathing rate. Question number 6. What will happen when the brain does not get the oxygen and blood it requires? When the brain does not get the oxygen and the blood it requires, a man will faint. If the supply is cut off for a few minutes, the result may be paralysis or death. Question number 7. What happens when part of the brain is electrically stimulated. If a part of the brain is electrically stimulated, any of the past memories stored in the attic of his brain may come out. Now, question number 8. What is the most important discovery that brain mappers have made? Pleasure center is the most important discovery that brain mappers have made. Little bolts of electricity could transform a depressed Joe into a very happy Joe. Now, question number 9. What is a blood-brain barrier? How does it work? A blood-brain barrier is a gatekeeper of the brain. It allows some things in denying others. It welcomes the needful glucose but blocks out bacteria and toxic substance. Question number 10. Describe the structure of the brain. The structure of the brain is something like that of a sword, with complicated intertwining of roots, but it may be multiplied by millions. Each of its 30 billion nerve cell is connected with others, some as many as 60,000 times. Now, question number 11. What does a neuron look like? How does it work? A neuron looks like a spider attached to a filament. The axon, the legs of the dendrites pick up a signal from adjacent neurons and pass it to the body in a very high speed. Next question, question number 12. How does the brain make up for its inability to reproduce? The brain makes up for its inability to reproduce by creating other new cells almost in the same number. Question number 13. Question number 13. What happens when a large number of cells are destroyed? When a large number of cells are destroyed, there is loss in smell, taste, hearing, attention, and memory of a man. But the brain takes care of the really important jobs to the end. Now, question number 14. What are the functions of the two hemispheres of the brain? The left hemisphere controls much of the activity on the right side of the body. The right hemisphere controls that of the left. Recent studies shows that the left controls ability to walk, write, and to do mathematics. The right is mute but can do other things as make spatial judgment. Now, question number 15. Explain the storage system of the brain. The most important feature of the brain is its storage system. It stores each memory in various places like Vermont. Now, question number 16. Describe the dangers that the brain is exposed to. Answer है, the danger that the brain is exposed to are following. A tumor can be very dangerous. A stroke means a clot forming in blood vessels or arteries may cause mental lapses, paralysis, or death. A brain injury may cause blackout or death. Okay, students, thank you.